Yo, it's Dielawn, and this week I'm going to show you how I adjust colors of a layer in Adobe Photoshop. This may not be the droid you're looking for, but he will help us with this tip. First option I'm going to show you is Hue and Saturation, either the Command and U keys on a Mac or the Control and U keys on a PC. Note that this slider will change the hue of the entire layer. This works best if you select a specific section of an image with the pen or lasso tool. You can also select this under Image, Adjustments, and Hue Saturation under the main menu. Another way to adjust the color is the Color Balance tool. This is the Command and B keys on a Mac or Control and B keys on a PC. This is great if you're trying to make an entire layer change its tone to one color or add a small hint of color. The color range method is something I use when creating designs for print. It's under Select, then Color Range in the main menu. I'll use the eyedrop tool to select the color I want, and then use the slider to adjust the fuzziness. In the view below, you'll see in white how much of that color will be selected. To find out how to select a specific section of an image, check out my other video, Cutting Out Objects in Adobe Photoshop. If you or anyone you know is looking to learn Photoshop, I think my channel is a great place to start. Comment below on any tips you're hoping to see.